Hello, my friends. Happy New Year. I have such an exciting invitation to share with you today, and I think it is the perfect way to kick off 2025.
I'm Bonnie Christine, and this is where all things creativity, design, business, and marketing unite. I'm a mama living in a tiny town tucked right inside the Smoky Mountains, running a multi-seven-figure business, doing the most creative and impactful work of my life. But when I first set out to become an entrepreneur, I was struggling to make ends meet and wrestling with how to accomplish my biggest dream of becoming a fabric designer. Fast forward to today, I'm not only licensing my artwork all over the world, but also teaching others how to design their creative life and experience the same success. I'm here to help you spend your life doing something that lights you up. I'll help you build a creative business that also creates an impact, changes people's lives, gives you all of the freedom you want, and is wildly profitable. Welcome to the Professional Creative Podcast.
If you are ready to begin this year pursuing your big creative dream, I'm so excited to invite you to something that we're hosting called Pattern Week. Now, this is an entirely free event. I've never done it before. So excited about it. And it's where I'm going to be hosting a community of creatives for a week with 5 live lessons and Q&A sessions. And it's starting this week. The dates are January 9th through the 15th. So I'm going to teach you how to transform doodles or drawings or paintings or even found items like leaves from outside into repeating patterns in Adobe Illustrator. Now, by the end of Pattern Week, you are going to have your design on a real tangible product. Okay, so that's Pattern Week. It's free, happening now. You can join us over at bonniechristine.com/Pattern Week. But I really want to take a moment to just tell you why I'm hosting this. When I first started in pattern design, I remember the overwhelm. I remember looking at my dream of becoming a fabric designer and with zero knowledge, zero reason to believe that I could ever make this happen, I asked Google how to become a fabric designer. And I started this journey of learning on my own. It took so long. In fact, it took me 11 months to figure out how to create my very first repeating patterns. And then it took me another year before I had actually kind of made that dream come true. So 2 years here. And it was really because I just didn't have anyone to show me how to do it. I was piecemealing all the information together from every corner of the internet, and it was hard. And so I want to be that person for you. In this event, in just 5 days, I want to help you achieve what took me 11 months to figure out on my own. And you're going to not believe that it took me that long because it's actually really simple. I'm going to teach you everything that you need to know to get up and running in Adobe Illustrator as simply as possible. This program is big and robust. And in this 5-day event, I'm going to show you how simply we can use it. And so I want to show you how to incorporate your work, your doodles, your sketches, but also found objects. If you don't want to doodle or sketch, you can also use things like photographs or found items to work into your designs as well. So really all you need is the drive to be creative. You can even use children's artwork for this. It's going to be so much fun. I'll show you how to incorporate all of it and walk you through my favorite processes for creating custom color palettes and building your repeat pattern design. And then finally, I'll show you how to export this work and really work to create something beautiful, like maybe it's your very own fabric or wallpaper or stationery or gift wrap. I'm going to be sharing all my favorite resources with you during Pattern Week. We're going to have so much fun. I'll be giving away over $4,000 worth of prizes. And everyone will be getting bonus cheat sheets and product resources. I'm sharing with you all my tried and true resources during the event. You're also going to be able to connect with creatives from all over the world who are pursuing their big creative dreams. And it's completely free. And when I mean free, I mean free. No strings attached. I'm not selling anything. I'm not making an offer anywhere. I just want you to come and experience the breathtaking world of pattern design and have a lot of fun in the meantime. So if you're ready, come hop in. You can sign up at bonniechristine.com/pattern week. My friends, your creativity is worth pursuing. This journey, it has its ups and its downs, but each little step brings all of your goals and your creativity to life. You have everything that you need to begin, and I'm right here to guide you along the way. So I can't wait to see you in Pattern Week. My friends, create the beauty that you want to see come alive in the world. And remember, there's room for you.